what? Followed by your second module, only decoder. Only decoder. Is it fine, everyone? So if you have doubt regarding any topics, you can tell me. So anyhow, we will get 2 more class. So in that, we will try to do revision if you want. Otherwise, we will proceed with the next topic, that is encoder from tomorrow onwards. Maybe next class. So tomorrow, next class onwards, we'll start with the encoder. If you have doubts with any topic till today's class, so from first module till today's class, if you have any doubt, you can ask. Is it fine, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So let's proceed now. See, I told 2 types of questions in the last class. Whenever you're dealing with respect to your IC implementation using a decoder logic, active low and active high plays a major role. If the question is implement using active low, nothing but your IC 74138. And few times they may give specifically IC 74139 also, same procedure. Whichever IC we get 134, 138, 139. So just make sure the procedure remains same. Means what? For IC, bubbling will be there if it is active low logic or 74138 or 74139 IC. If they didn't ask anything, if they just give the question, implement the following using 3:8 decoder, then comes it is a part of your active high logic. Okay, so you got this 2 point now. So if you know this 2, then we can proceed. In the last class, I told you how to do also. So we did example based on your full subtractor. Okay, so whenever they ask you to implement the full subtractor, so I will teach you for active low concept. So same way you repeat for active high and full adder also same thing. Okay, so whenever they ask full subtractor, active low logic. So active low. So if we say active low, it may be in terms of IC also. So IC 74138. Is it visible what I am writing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So full subtractor. So full subtractor is what we already learned, right? So we already learned. See, that's why we did adder subtractor first, because without knowing what is adder and subtractor, straight away if you tell decoder you have to implement means there is no meaning. So for that purpose, we went through with your subtractor. So whenever they ask you to implement this, I need to get a what? I need to get an implementation IC. Before getting IC, what you should get? What you should have? To build an IC, what you should have?
Expression.
To build an IC, what you should have? You need to know your truth table, right? See, unless until they give summation or pi in the question, so default it goes to your SOP form. So to get that SOP form, I need to build my truth table. So I hope everyone remember the truth table for your full subtractor. So how many inputs you have? ABC. How many outputs?
2.
2 outputs. So we called one as difference,
Borrow.
one as borrow. Correct? So you'll be having 3 inputs and 2 outputs. 3 inputs and 2 outputs. So I hope you have done with this table, and I told you how to do subtraction also. Am I? Everyone? Everyone remember the subtraction procedure? Now you tell me. So anyhow 0, 0, you will subtract, you will get subtract only. Yeah. So 0 minus 0 is 0, and again 0 minus 1 is there. So what is difference? What is borrow?
1 1. Borrow 1, difference 1.
See, we know that I can't subtract 0 minus 1, correct? So I need to take 2 as a borrow. Why 2 only? Because it is a binary number. So maximum is 2. I can take 2 minus 1. So I am taking 1 as a borrow, and after subtracting 2 minus 1, again you will get 1 as a difference. Is it fine? I hope this you got no already. Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, next. Again, same procedure. 0 minus 1. Again, borrow is required. Difference is there. Next. Again, this is difference is 1, borrow is 0. And here difference is 0. Borrow is there. Do you have a borrow?
No, sir.
So you won't get any borrow only, right? Because 1 minus 1 becomes 0. Again, 1 minus 1 becomes 0, same thing. And last year, 1 minus 1, 0. Again, 0 minus 1. What's the answer?
1, 1.
Good. So this is what table you wanted. Agree, everyone? Any doubts? Anyone till here? Is it visible? Now what do you want? You need to plot. You need to plot for what? Active low logic. Active low logic, correct now? So we'll pick the number of ones. We'll pick the number of ones and connect to which gate? Connect to which gate?
AND gate.
NAND gate, correct? Huh? So this is a logic what we have followed. I hope you remember whether it is active low IC 74138 questions, right? So if they won't mention whether it is SOP or POS form, default will go for your minterm, right? So you need to connect this to a NAND gate. What about borrow? What about borrow? Which gate you will connect borrow?
Sir, you have missed one term, sir. 3 you
Pardon?
have missed, sir.
Pardon?
You have missed 3, sir, in the truth table.
Miss 3, huh? Oh, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Sir, 0, 1, 1.
Okay. So answer is 0, 0 now. Okay, yeah? Is it fine?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
yeah? Okay. But this answer remains same, right? So this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1. For difference, similarly for your borrow, so you have this. Anything else I have missed? Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
So anywhere you get borrow again? Yeah, I think this is wrong, no? This should be borrow is 1, right? This one? See here? 0 minus 1 you can't do, right? So I should take borrow. Agree? Yes or no? So I think this should be 1.
Yes, sir.
Look at here. 0, 1, 1. What I am doing here? So 0 minus 1 I should subtract. But I can't subtract 0 minus 1. So borrow is required. It means borrow is there here. So you have one more 1 here. Correct? So you got borrow, that is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Again 1 minus 1 becomes 0. So difference is 0. Borrow is 1. So am I clear with this? So here difference is 0. Borrow is 1. And here this is 1. Am I correct? So you'll get 4 terms on both the both side. Is it okay? Yeah?
Yes, sir.
So both difference and borrow we should connect to which gate now?
AND gate.
NAND gate. But don't connect both together because difference is separate output, borrow is separate output. So how to build now? So what you should build? You need to have IC. So take a IC here. So this is 3:8. And what is the name for this IC?
138.
74138. Okay. And you will be having how many inputs? 3 inputs. Correct? A, B, and C. Then how many enable pins? Enable pins 3, right? Out of which 2 should be grounded.
Should be ground.
And 1 more is to be given with
5 volts.
active high. Correct? See, we know the logic, right? Unless until enable is there, your output won't comes. Your output won't comes. So don't make all the enable pin as ground, right? So how many outputs you have?
8.
Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4, Y5, Y6, Y7. So there should be bubble here.
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no?
Yes,
See,
sir.
whenever active low logic comes or this IC, so make sure there is a bubble in the output. So if they ask active high, then only this bubble won't be there. That is the difference. That's all, nothing else, right? So this is your IC. So now what I should do? I need to connect what? I need to connect my difference and borrow output. So can be difference now. So this is
1,
for
2, 4, 7.
2 or 1 now.
1, sir.
So 1, then
2,
2,
4,
then
7.
4
4,
and 7 now. 4 and
7.
7. So this 4 should be given to which gate?
AND gate.
NAND gate. So this is your difference. Clear? In and outs anyone? Similarly for borrow, again 1,
2, 3,
then
7.
I think 2, 3
Two.
now. 2, 3 and
7.
7. So this 3 given to one more NAND gate, that becomes borrow. Am I clear with this to everyone? Am I clear this procedure to everyone? Any doubts still? Any doubts here, anyone? See, it's very important question for 6 to 8 marks. Read the question carefully. Don't be in a hurry. If it is asked only implement using 3:8 decoder, then this comes purely to active high. There you can pick whether it is SOP form or POS form. It's left to you. Default will go for SOP form. But when they give active low or IC 74139 or 139, you need to go with the things what we did just now. Is it fine to everyone? Am I done with this? So if they give specifically summation is equal to pi is equal to, then follow the rules what we did last class. So this is for a generalized problem like full adder, full subtractor. Still doubts anyone? How to build for full subtractor? Any doubts now? Anyone
Sir, we
doubts?
should do for active eye also, sir.
Yenappa?
Active eye also we should do.
Yeah. So what is the change? Truth table won't change, right? Only change is that IC diagram. So in that, what you should do?
No bubbles.
No bubbles.
Bubbles. Okay, fine.
And OR gate.
Then, apart from that,
OR
OR
gate.
gate.
good. So that is a change. Don't make again NAND gate for active high also. Artha aita? So I think same way you can repeat for your active high logic of full subtractor, and you can finish for your full adder also. So will you do later? Is it fine? Shall we move for next problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So after understanding this, so we'll go with the next problem, that is your binary to gray converter. So they may ask you to implement 3-bit binary to gray converter using IC. So that is your next question. Read on the question. Read on everyone. So I hope everyone remember what is the meaning of binary to gray. Have you done this concept? Binary to gray concept ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಪ್ಪ ನಿಮಗೆ?
Forgotten, sir.
ಏನಪ್ಪ?
Forgotten.
Forgotten. What is remembering then? Okay, so we'll try to write this as the next problem. Read on. Implement 3-bit binary 3-bit binary to gray. So I will write here 3-bit binary to gray. Binary to gray code conversion. Binary to gray code conversion using using 74139. So be specific with this last number. Just by seeing the first three number, if you write, you're going to get complete 0. Okay, that's why I'm stressing. Read the question carefully. Don't be overconfident. 7413, or that's all you will see. You won't see what is there next. That is what we want. Whether it is 138 or 139, be specific about that IC number. See, in this question, they specifically asked 74139. So till now, what you did, that is was on 74138. So you got the difference first of all, everyone. Have you got the difference? Yes or no? Have you got the question difference here, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So now binary to gray procedure remains same. I need to use, instead of 138, it should be 139. So what is 139 advantage? What exactly is there in 74139? What you have in this IC? It is made up of what?
Dual
Good. So it is made up of dual 2:4 decoder.
2:4
Correct,
decoder.
na? So you'll be having dual 2:4 decoder. That is the advantage what we have here. Right. Now listen. See, whenever they ask you to implement this 3-bit binary to gray converter, before going to solve this, we should have an idea how to convert your binary to gray. Okay. So binary to gray depends on this. Whether it is 3-bit, 4-bit, you can get 4-bit also. But in this decoder, since it is having a maximum capacity of 3 state syllabus, okay, so we're going with 3-bit binary. So maybe in lab you'll do 4:4-bit binary to gray converter in laboratory. So it means you'll get 16 combinations, but logic remains same. Just listen carefully. Since I told 3-bit, so what is the meaning of 3-bit? What is the meaning of 3 bits? How many inputs?
3 inputs.
Good. So we need to build a table first. So we will build a truth table now. So if I say inputs, so inputs with respect to my binary and output is with respect to my gray code. So vice versa also possible. Okay. So currently understand how to convert binary to gray. So input, let me designate that as B2, B1, B0. Since it is a binary code conversion, binary numbers I am taking B2, B1, B0. Okay. So this is an input. So what could be the output now? What could be the output? You're converting to what?
Gray
Yeah.
code.
Gray code. So you should have output as G2, G1 and G0. So you got the table now. So this table, if you fill, that will be your first task. So there is no difficulty for you to fill the input part, correct? So how many combinations you'll get?
8
How many
combinations.
combinations? 8 combinations. So it says 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, and followed by 111. So this is what the input. Now question comes, how can I convert this binary to gray? See, unless until I fill this table, we can't implement this in your truth table. Agree? Using IC you can't implement, correct now? So now tell me how to convert this. So what is the logic? We have to convert this. Anyone remember? Anybody remember? Okay, fine. So let me go with this. See, you need to remember a logic diagram or a circuit diagram. A logic diagram or circuit diagram for conversion. You should have some formula, right? So what should be the thing I should have for G2, for G1 and G0 in terms of binary code. So that's how we can convert binary to gray code, right? So if you want to make use of this, you need to remember the diagram. What diagram I'm writing, look at carefully. So I will tell B2 and G2 both are same. Okay, B2 and G2 both are same. Then to get G1, I am connecting my B2 input and B1 input to my XNOR gate. So this will give you G1. Clear? Similarly, to get your G0, connect B1 input and B0 input to one more XNOR gate. That will fetch you G0. Right? So from this, what is the expression now? What is G2 equals to? B2. And what is G1 equals to? B2. Excuse me. B2 XOR B1. Then what about G0 equals to?
B1 XOR B0.
XOR B0. So any doubts, anyone till this point? Have you got the logic now how to fill the table? Am I clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So now, can this table can be filled using that logic? We can fill or not here?
I can fill, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now we can get an idea that whatever G2 output is there, that remains same as B2. So whatever the B2 had, I can replicate as it is in terms of your G2. So 4 zeros followed by 4 ones. Agree? So now I got G2 done. Next, tell me how to find G1 now. It says B2 XOR with B1. So I hope everyone remember the XOR operation of your logic. So what is the meaning of B2 XOR B1? So B2 value is 0 and B1 value is 0. So if we do XOR for this, answer remains what?
0.
So you remember the logic for XOR gate, if either of the input is high, output is high. It means for 0, 1 and 1, 0 combination, output is 1. Otherwise it is 0. I hope you remember that logic. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1 and 1, 1 also 0. So you remember this truth table, everyone? So this logic I need to implement now, that's all. So from this is 0, 0. Okay. Now tell me for G1, this column. So B2 again it is 0 only?
0.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir. 0.
Okay, we'll fill G1 first. Then look at this. What is the answer for this now?
1.
1.
So it's 0 XOR with 1, nothing but 1. Understood now, everyone? If you know the formula, then you can build this. If you want formula, you should remember the logical diagram. So it is interlinked to each other, right? Next, what is next answer?
1.
Is it 1 again?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
XOR these two columns, that's all. So 1, again 1,
Everything is
again
1.
1. Now 1, 1
Last
is there.
1.
0.
So this 2, again 1. Last 2 are 0, 0. Correct?
Yes.
1 way XOR with 1, 1, 1 XOR with 1, 1. Is it done? So same way you tell me for G0 now. So you should
1,
XOR
1.
these two now. So
1,
1,
1,
1,
0,
0,
0, 0.
0.
1, 1.
1, 1, 0.
Understood? Any doubts? Anyone? Is it fine to everyone? Any doubts here? If you're able to understand still here, then just dumping an IC and doing the connection for individual G0, G1, G2 separately. Now tell me which gate you're going to connect. See, default I told this is like active low only, correct? Since they're given using 74139 IC, it is active low logic. It means default I told it will go to which form? SOP form.
SOP
Correct now? So which gate you should connect?
OR gate.
A. Just now we did. Why you get
NAND
OR
gate.
gate again? It's active low.
NAND.
NAND gate.
AND gate.
See, this is a mistake you will commit. That's why I told don't make yourself confusion. That's why I made clearly in the last class. Make a table, active low, active high. I told SOP is what? SOP is what in both columns. Similarly, POS, POS. You remember one side at least, so that you can write replica of other. If you do like this, if you write OR gate for this, then completely gone. So you're going to get marks only till here. So if I say 8 marks means you may get 5 marks till here. So remaining 3 more marks, IC implementation gone. So don't make that to happen. Be specific. Keep one in mind. Active low or IC means if it is SOP form, there should be a NAND gate. Am I clear? Everyone? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So I will erase this part. If you want to just make a note of this part so that I can write the IC diagram here, because I want the truth table. I can't erase truth table, that is required. So now you just make a note of the circuit or logic diagram. I will erase this. If it is done, shall I erase? Everyone? Just make a note. Okay. Over here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let me erase this. So I hope everyone remember your 74139 IC. See again in examination, your mind will be concentrating how to build a truth table. Again while implementing, you will make a mess. You will plot 74138 gone. Again gone case. So that's why I'm telling, write the things whatever there in the question paper in your booklet once. Mention boldly 74139 IC. So now tell me 74139 means how many things we should have? So it is having dual 2:4 decoder. So it means there is a 3 inputs, I mean 2 inputs along with one selection line. So I can call it as 1A, 1B and 1G. That G indicates enable pin. So similarly you have 2A, 2B and 2G. So this is what you have, dual purpose. And how many outputs you have for one 2:4 decoder?
4.
So you'll be having Y naught. So bubble is required now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, because it is a active low logic. So bubble is required Y naught, Y1, Y2, Y3. So Y naught, Y1, Y2, Y3. And how we will write for next one? Same way, right? I will mention 1, 1, 1 for all this. This is this category. For your reference, I'll put demarcation. So this is your 74139. So above part is your 2:4 decoder. That is first 2:4. Similarly, so Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3. I'll mention 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay. Done till here? I just made an outline. So before going for connection, everyone, look at the things carefully. Look at the things carefully. Your input is your B0, B1, B2. So you have only 3, but here you have 6 connection. Yes or no? Agree, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So I need to make this 6 connection as only 3 connection, and that 3 connection should be only B0, B1, B2. Am I clear? Am I clear till here to everyone? Is it fine till here? If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Is that fine till here?
Yes,
Shall
sir.
I proceed? Okay.
Yes.
Now listen. Now listen carefully. Look at the table clearly. Look at the table clearly. So this first four acts like your first 2:4 decoder, and the next four acts like the second 2:4 decoder. Agree? Because that is what the possible we have, right? So we have to divide our things to two off. So first category goes to your first 2:4 and the below category to next 2:4. Am I clear till here to everyone? Yeah? Am I?
I can't see board, sir.
Is it not visible here?
Yes, sir.
The others check out bold is not visible, or what I wrote at the end is not visible.
Visible, sir.
Yeah, just check out network issue once more. Yeah. So what I wrote is here, it's 2:4, 2:4. So I'll repeat once more. What I'm trying to tell you is, this is a 3-bit binary to gray, and they ask you to implement using 74139. If it was 74138, no problem, completely I can take. But since it is 139, we know that we have two 2:4 decoder in this truth table. So what I told, first 4 input acts like first 2:4. Next 4 is your next 2:4 is what I mean. So is it fine till here? Everyone? Is it fine? Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now listen. Now listen. Compare here. So this is decoder 1, decoder 2. Look at here B2. So B2 of this and B2 of this. What I should do? So it's same, right? See here, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. All inputs are same, right? Yes or no? So can I short my one of first decoder and one of second decoder? Can I call this as B2? Can I? Yes or no, yeah? I'll repeat. So 1A indicates this 4, then 2A, this is your 1A, and this is your 2A. Okay? So both are having same input, 0, 0, 0 in one category means other category 1, 1, 1, 1. There is no change. There is no change, like how we will show for your B0, I will show you later. So is it fine? So since this 4 and this 4 are same, means for the first decoder same input, second decoder same input, I can connect A1 and B2, A2, B2. What about next? What about B1? Is it also same? Is this also same?
Yes, sir.
0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. See how we are comparing actually? How we are comparing actually? So first of this, second of this, second of this. So just compare. So again, can I short my B1 and 2G and designate as B2? Sorry, B1. Okay. Now tell me what is the thing I can write for my B0. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. What I should write here?
Same.
Is it same? Is it same here?
Okay.
Everyone, I'm asking you people only.
Yes, sir.
Anyway, do you have any compliments here?
No.
No, sir.
So I can tell that all this 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B and 1G, 2G remain same. See, look at here. Instead of doing the things interconnecting or messing up, I can make the things like this for a simplicity. For simply, I can make this as 1A, 2A. So this two short easily and connect to B2. So understood what I told? Since it is same, right? We can connect like this, right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, 1B, so 1B, then 2B. Connect here. I can connect to B1. Right? Is it fine? But look at this 1G and 2G. So we told that these two are same. I will connect to B0. I will connect to B0. Okay. So any doubts? Anyone still here? Any doubts? Anyone still here? Yeah. Am I clear here till here to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now listen. Now listen carefully. Compare your truth table. Compare your B2 with G2. Is it same? Is it same?
Yes, sir.
So I can tell that the first connection what we went through is correct. Since B2, BG1 are done, so whatever things you are passing, the same thing will come as output. Agree? Similarly, compare B1 with G1. Is it same?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Is it not same?
No,
Same.
change.
It's same but in reverse order. See here, this is like 0, 1, 2, 3. I'm just reading reference, okay? Then I can take 4, 5, 6, 7. Reverse way. But it is showing what is this? 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. But here 0, 0, 1, 1, here 1, 1, 0, 0. Correct?
Yes, sir.
What about last condition? Similarly, B0, G0? What has happened here?
It's
At this
changed.
junction, there is a complement. Correct, Nayar? At this junction, there is a complement.
Oh,
Right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
See, why I told is for your remembrance. For example, if you forget that formula, what I taught you, that XOR operation, you can just compare here itself and you can write this also. I will just tell you one thing. See, look at the numbers here. 0, 1, 2, 3. See, 0, 1, 2, 3. Do you remember what we did actually here? Is it like your K map? Is it like your K map?
Yes,
0,
sir.
1, 2, 3 original. If I implement, it becomes 0, 1, 2, 3. What about this now? It is 4. 4 is here. 5 is here. 6 is here. 7 is here. Can you make out the difference now? Everyone, see, this is just for your remembrance. If you forget that formula, then you can just write randomly also. This is just like a verification, that's all. It need not be remembering. For some person, they may feel that formula is difficult for them to remember. So that time have a logic. Whatever the inputs you are given, 0, 1, 2, 3 is the output. So if you remember that, then no need to do XOR operation. But original thing, how it came? From XOR operation. Is it fine? Everyone? Am I clear here? So now we can finish up this connection now. Finish up this connection. Tell me where are the ones here? So for all, where? Where are the ones for G2? 1, 1, 1, 1 means what? Output of second decoder? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So I need to connect output of my second decoder to which gate?
NAND gate.
To which gate?
None.
The NAND gate and designate as G2. Any doubts? Anyone still here? So same way, can you tell me for this? So two inputs from first decoder and two outputs from second one. So it means these two are here, right? And these two are here. So for this combination, one more NAND gate that becomes G1. Is it fine? Last one, G0. So second and third. So second is here, first is here, similarly here. So this combination again given to one more NAND gate that becomes G0. Am I clear to everyone? Am I clear to everyone? Yeah. Am I clear here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So any doubts? Anyone with this? If you have any doubt, you can ask. So this is the way you need to implement your 3-bit binary to grade code decoder using IC 74139. Am I done with this? Any doubts? Anyone means you can ask. Anybody wants me to repeat any steps? You got the logic now? How this decoder application will work? So till here is what you have syllabus for your first internal. I told only decoder from second model. So there is no adder, there is no subtractor, only decoder. Is it fine? So next class, I think tomorrow you have class. So if you want any revision for any topics till today, so you want means you just inform me. So we'll do the things tomorrow. If you didn't get anything, then we'll go with encoder part of your next topic. Am I clear? Everyone? Any doubts? Anyone? Any doubts? Anyone? Is it fine? Okay. So you take few problems and you can solve this by your own. So shall I erase this? Is it done here? Is it done? Everyone? Am I audible here? Am I audible? Is it audible what I'm telling?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yeah, is it done? Is it finished here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you just take a few problems. You try to work out. So the question is implement the multiple functions. Implement the multiple functions. So they give multiple functions for you. So with the inputs A, B, C, A, B, C, D. Okay, let me tell you how, if they give 4 inputs also, how to solve the problem. So on the question first, A, B, C, D, function 1, they are given with summation 0, 4, 8, 10, 14 and 15. Okay. Right. So similarly, there is one more function F2, that is also A, B, C, D. So here given 1, 2, 6, 12. So this is a given question. So you need to implement the multiple functions. So that's all they are given question. So if they give such kind of questions, then what you should do? What type of implementation you should do? Is it active low or active high?
Active high.
Good. Active high. See, unless until IC number is specified or active low word is there, default all the questions will go to 3:8 decoder active high. Means in output you should not put any bubbles, right? Okay, listen here. Just one small change in this problem. You can look at here. So you have 4 inputs actually. So till now what it was 3:8 decoder. But it asks you to implement like this. Implement the multiple function. Okay, you continue the question. Okay, implement the multiple function. F1 is written, F2 is written using 2 3:8 decoder. Using 2 3:8 decoder. What is the meaning of this? Yeah. Question number contra. So this is your last type of a problem. Question aitapa. So they have asked you to implement the multiple functions. F1 is given, F2 is given using 2 3:8 decoder. What is the meaning of this? Anyone? Anyone can tell me what is the meaning of this 3:8 decoder? 2 times. Okay, listen now. Let me explain this. You solve this. So how many inputs they are given?
4.
In the multiple function, 4. So both functions consisting of 4. How many combinations you can expect? 16 combinations.
16.
Correct now? So 4 inputs means 16 combinations. See, actually it is like 4:16 decoder. Correct now? So this is what it means. So it's a 4:16 decoder, but the question is not asked for you to get 4:16 bit. They are asked using 2 3:8. 2 3:8 decoder. Then what could be done? What you should do? Just think. Outputs remain same. Yes or no, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, what understanding what I'm getting? I
Yes,
should
sir.
get output as 16. If I make use of 2 3:8 decoder, will you get 16 as a output?
Yes, sir.
So even if you use 2 3:8, I'm going to get 16 output, right? So because 8 2s are 16. What about input now? Input they are given as A, B, C, D. So it becomes 4 plus 4, 8. But I want only 3. How to make? What can be made?
3.
Is it visible what I'm writing? Just check out here. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. See, the question is like this. So we have 4 inputs A, B, C, D. If I take again one more A, B, C, D, so it look like 16. I mean 8 inputs followed by 16 outputs like this 4:16. But I am not using this. I need to use this. It means what I should do? I need to make one input as ground. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So what you should do? You can take D and D from this. You can short and you can make it to ground. Correct? And remaining ABC, you can short from both the things. Is it like 3 input now? Is it like 3 input? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Understand the logic here. Even though they are given 4 input, we can reduce it to 3 input. How? ABC is common for both the 3:8 decoder. This is your 3:8 and this is your 3:8. Okay, you can write like this. Then ABC common, D input I don't want, make it as ground, and remaining you are going to get 8 outputs from here and 8 outputs from here. Put a continuation, that's all. Put a continuation after Y0 to Y7, Y8 to Y15. So whatever things they are given, just connect to which gate? To which gate you will connect now?
OR gate.
OR gate.
Is it OR gate?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it active low or active high?
Active I.
High.
Active high means it is which one you're taking? You are picking min terms. Min terms
Yes,
means
Yes, sir.
SOP form. So
Sir.
SOP form means which gate?
OR gate. OR gate.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತೇನ್ರೋ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? So this is what you should do. Okay. So only thing you should remember is this. If they give 4 input, so you can convert that to 233:4 decoder using a logic what I just now explained. You short one, give it to ground, remaining you give it a common, get the connection. Am I done with this, everyone? So try to finish off this. Okay. So that completes your decoder part. So next class we will deal with your revision if any doubts are there. If not, we will go to your encoding topic. One not one.
Yes, sir.
102.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can enter your USN and you can leave. See you in next class. 103.
Present, sir.
4. 5.
Present, sir.
6. 7.
Present, sir.
8.
Present, sir.
9. 10.
Present, sir.
11. 12.
Yes, sir.
13.
Present, sir.
14. 15.
Present, sir.
16.
Present, sir.
17. 18. 19.
Present, sir.
20.
17. Present, sir.
Yeah, given. 21.
Present, sir.
Given, ma, given. 21.
Present,
22.
sir.
Yeah, given, Sneh. 22. 23.
Present, sir. 23.
24. Yeah,
Present, sir.
25. 26.
Yes, sir.
Present, sir.
27.
Present, sir.
28.
Present, sir.
Suraj. 29.
Present.
30. 31.
Present, sir.
32.
Yes, sir.
33.
Present, sir.
34. 35.
Present, sir.
36.
Present, sir.
37.
Present, sir.
39.
Present, sir.
40.
Present, sir.
41.
Present, sir.
42. 43.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Mark. Yeah, given. 17 telecom. Nag is there. Rutvik. Telecom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All are there. Yeah. So enter the chat box. You can leave.